Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make simple and delicious protein pancakes. It takes 15 minutes to prep. One such pancake contains 24 grams of protein.
We need 50 grams of flour. Wheat whole grain or oat flour is suitable. Add to it 60 grams of protein, 5 grams of sweetener, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix all dry ingredients. We take 1 egg and 200 grams of kefir. Mix it up. Add dry ingredients to liquid ingredients. And mix again thoroughly until homogeneous. Lubricate the pan with oil. Preheat the pan. And we spread the dough. About a third of the dough for thin pancakes. I cook over low heat, about 2 minutes on each side. It turned out 3 pancakes. I already ate one. Here's such a simple and delicious breakfast or snack option. Very tasty and protein rich. There are 24 grams of protein in one such pancake. Subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much for watching and give me a thumbs up. Have a nice day.